Hi everyone, I am Jitya, and on this International Day of Peace, I would want to share my very first song, Light the Way. This project has been a very meaningful journey for me, and I would want to give special thanks to Vivek sir, my colleagues Kenneth, Merlina and Ankit sir for helping me bring this project to life. As a teacher at Unikriti Music Lab, I am very grateful for this opportunity to help me reflect my hopes for peace in this world through this song. I hope our song Light the Way inspires you to believe in a united and peaceful world. Thank you.
In a world so torn where shadows loom, we dream of peace to break the gloom. With open hearts and outstretched hands, we'll build a bridge across all lands. Let's light the way, let peace arise in every heart and every sky. Love is our guide, we'll stand as one until the battle for peace is won. No more tears, no more strife. We'll share the dream of a peaceful life, where every soul can find its place in a world that's free from hate's embrace. Light the way, let peace arise in every heart and every sky. Love is a guide, we'll stand as one until the battle for peace is won. Light the way, let peace arise in every heart and every sky. Love is a guide, we'll stand as one until the battle for peace is won. Until the battle for peace is won. Until the battle for peace is won.